Okay guys, I just got our new Crafter's Companion subscription box in. So I just want to show you, I have not forgotten you guys. I know a lot of you guys requested to do a video with this Cosmic Shimmer Gilding Flakes, and I will do that very soon. What happens is I've been sleeping in recently, and usually I said I wake up like pretty early to make the videos, and I haven't been waking up early recently, so here we are. So let's see what we got. So it comes in a box, and then sometimes they'll just send it to you like this, and then with your mailing label, but usually it's another box, plus this box, plus the actual item. And then again, I get this through HSN. I know Crafter's Companion has on their site something about the subscription box. I don't know that you can sign up through there, though. It doesn't seem like it. I don't know. But, oh gosh, I'm always trying to arrange this camera better. I don't know. Okay, so this is number 15, and I was kind of wary of number 15 because I saw that it was called Cute as a Button, and I'm like, oh, it's going to be button crafts, right? So it is. It's Cute as a Button craft kit. It says it makes a minimum of 24 cards, and on the back, I never read this. I always just open the box, but it has metal dies, so buttons, stamps, and other. I don't want to go through that. I'd rather open the box and look at it and say, yay. So let's open this up. So hopefully you guys got in on this if you were wanting to this last HSN craft day, because I think that's the only time it's been open again since last year. So I got in last year, but it always comes really nicely packaged, and it has a little thank you little note there. So here we are. So very basic shapes: a nice circle, a square, and a heart. And I'm assuming, well, it's probably because you're making apertures. That's what it looked like on the front cover there, because very basic. There's nothing to them. It's just a straight shape. Oh, these are very interesting. Now, these are completely different than they normally include. So this is where it makes it fun, because I was like, button craft or button stuff. But, I mean, buttons are cute. But look at this. So basically, you're going to do the stamp, and then you add the little button for like the lion. You can do the same. This is the front of the bunny and the back of the bunny. Those are cute options. This is, what's it called? Hot air balloons. It looks like a couple different sizes of them. This looks like some other kind of animal. I'm not sure what, but I guess you use a heart button. I don't know. This guy, I'm assuming you use buttons for the ears. There's like an ice cream cone that you can add different little buttons there, I suppose. Little chicks in all different sizes. That's adorable. The little elephants that are also missing buttons, and the butterflies. And there's some little swirls and other cute things in here, and some sentiments. And this is the next set. Now this one has your flowers and more like nature. Well, there's balloons there, but flowers with the little centers. Obviously, yeah, you can do it with any flower stamp, really. This one is like a vase, but doesn't have anything on the end, which would really be cute because you can still kind of layer in flowers and make your own vase, but they basically want you to put buttons there, I'm sure. Little bike, little baby stroller that doesn't have the wheels there, and then, like I said, the balloons and the cherries. And this little jar of buttons, which is adorable. Okay, yes, I know we can get these pretty inexpensively. Well, actually, it depends. I remember when this was all the rage, buttons were kind of expensive for whatever reason, but you can find them at Dollar Tree and stuff like that, and very similar case. But these are very pale colors. They're pastels. Lots of different sizes. Like I said, that one looks like a heart. Maybe you're supposed to put like 3 buttons, you know what I'm saying, like a smaller and 2 larger ones. I don't know, because it looked like a heart shape. But maybe it was just, I don't know what kind of animal this is. It's supposed to be a lamb. I don't know if you can see that. That's why I thought it was like a heart shape. That's what it looks like, but it's not. So maybe you just put several buttons. Card blanks, and they're cards, and I showed you guys this the last time I did the stencil box kit, an actual tryout of it. And they are thick, like super thick, which is really nice. So I do appreciate that, and they do have them in different sizes. And then of course they have the envelopes that are there for you that match those cards. We have the printed paper. I'll go through that real quick. So I do like the color palette they're doing this time. Okay, you see, Miranda, I asked them to be nice and quiet, and I don't know what she's talking about it there. Okay, it's one-sided paper like it is most of the time. Different color scheme. They usually, I mean, even though the buttons are pastels, these are very cute. Sorry about the lighting there. A little bit different. This is my favorite. This is really cute. So there's, I think, 3 sheets of each one. This is cute too. And this is just, maybe that's 2 sheets. It looked like 3, I don't know. 1, 2, 3. Yeah, 3. And this one's kind of like a little pastel checker. It's very hard to see, so it's really cute. And then there's, of course, colored card that matches it. So again, I can kind of make an array of colors there. Hopefully you can see it's just those little basic kind of, hold on, mama. colors that are there. So that's this month's box. Maybe I'll try it out for you guys. I'm not gonna do it right now because I want to show you the video of what came in it, and then maybe I'll do that separately because, again, my child just walked in the room here. So thanks for watching, guys. I'll see you at the next one. Bye now.